science and technology, Keweitai guards our homeland. In 1997, China surprised the whole world. Keweitai was born with China's prosperity and the mission of developing science and technology. 20 years' effort makes it a leader in unmanned aerial vehicle and wireless video transmission system industry. As a national high-tech enterprise who combined with science, industry, and trade, Keweitai sticks to its motto, domestic and global, occupying the high-end global UAV and wireless communication products market with reliable and advanced products. Science and technology are the primary productive forces. Keweitai Enterprise Development Limited Company, located in Shenzhen, has a high-quality research and development team of nearly 150 people. In nearly 10,000 square meters of R&D production base, it has 3 wireless communication production lines, a complete production system of a motor production line and drone assembly workshop, drone composite manufacturing workshop, drone machining center, and 2 test platforms. It has annual production capacity of 10,000 sets of wireless communication products and 20,000 sets of security and network transmission equipment. Drone annual production capacity reaches 5,000 sets. Keweitai has established many research and development centers in Shenzhen, Jinan, and Qingdao. From design to the product configuration validation, each process has to undergo a rigorous assessment to ensure the high quality. A series of products like wireless mobile video transmission system, bidirectional network transmission system, and multi-rotor UAV system make the emergency command supporting solutions more comprehensive and professional. Our staffs with motto of quality-oriented, customer-first, technology innovation, development, and beyond meet customers' demand for customized equipment modification. Keweitai has a complete drone industrial chain, fully achieves independent design, development, and manufacture. From the raw material preparing, composite processing, to the drone assembling and debugging. The whole manufacturing process is strictly controlled. Our staffs keep 4 inspection process and dozens of test methods familiar in mind. Because of their stringent requirements for product quality, Keweitai serves the customer perfectly at all times. As the saying goes, to teach one how to fish rather than just giving one a fish. Keweitai owns well-equipped and advanced facilities for drone pilots and commanders training base. It also has abundant educational resources with the authority of training qualifications, can train excellent pilots for our customers. Our 12 offices all over the country and our professional, dedicated service team will provide customers with good after-sales service, technical support, and emergency support services regardless of weather. 20 years of persistence and effort. Our purpose remains the same. Every staff brings excellent, diligent working enthusiasm into action to win a high admiration and is widely trusted at home and abroad. After 20 years operation, Keweitai has been one of the leading brands of UAV and wireless communications in Chinese market, and set up the industry benchmark with military quality, which is vividly demonstrated in the pictures. Behind all the efforts, Keweitai is committed to providing accurate, comprehensive solutions and advanced technologies for our customers, which has a good reputation in the industry. That is the cornerstone of Keweitai's every glory and praise.
科威泰的愿景是让人类在突发事件和灾难面前，因使用我们的产品而更加从容。
It is still a long way in success. Keweitai will persist with quality, integrity, and innovation to promote the development of wireless communication technology and industrial UAV. To build a business empire for Keweitai. To make science and technology, Keweitai guards our homeland. This dream come true.